If you'd like to add an existing customer to a transaction, simply navigate to the Enter Customer Information search bar. If you'd like, you can hit the drop-down menu and simply manually search for the customer you'd like to add. However, you can also enter the specific information you'd like. However, you can also enter specific information to filter for customers by name, email, or phone number. Say I have a customer named John Smith sitting in front of me. I can simply type John Smith, select the customer, and the customer's information will be automatically added to the transaction. If the customer has, if your store has loyalty rewards programs enabled, if your store has the loyalty reward program enabled, you will also be able to see their available points, the value of those available points, as well as the total amount of points they've earned in their lifetime. To remove the customer, simply hit Remove Customer.